Financial services are at the core of a digital and fast-moving world. At Tietoevry Banking, over 50 years of experience has taught us how to make your business thrive in times of change. By reducing complexity and costs while keeping up with new regulations, we make our customers more agile, innovative, and competitive. Partnering with us provides you with a software portfolio covering all aspects of banking. Modular, designed for the cloud era, all provided as a service. We believe our role isn't just about developing digital solutions. It's about creating value that benefits customers, society, and humanity at large. Every second, our software runs services that empower everyday life for millions of people. When getting a loan, using a credit card, or making a bank transfer. With our diverse skills and perspectives, we build innovative software that uses design, data, and AI to create purposeful solutions that truly make a difference for the financial futures we know and the ones yet to be discovered. We are Tietoevry Banking. We create purposeful technology that reinvents financial services for good.